With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Let's start the question. And the question says, identify the observed various part of temporary mount of well-stained leaf peel when focused under the high power of microscope. So in this question we have to tell that when we observe under the microscope, what are the things that we can see there. So let's understand this one by one. The leaf will be taken from the lower portion of the plant because in case of dicot, maximum stomata lies in the lower portion, but as compared to the monocot, the stomata is spread unicellularly, that it is present in both lower as well as upper. So when we will observe it under the microscope, what we will see? We will see the epidermis. Epidermis is the outer layer, and inside the epidermis there is presence of stomata. Stomata can open and close. That depend upon the presence of sunlight as well as the plant itself. Now, outside the stomata, suppose this is the stomata region, we have the stomata here. Outside the stomata, we have the bell-shaped guard cells. These are called as guard cells. They are the thick covering which help in protection also. So these are the guard cells, and then in the guard cells, when we will zoom it further under the microscope, we can see the chloroplast. Moreover, we can also see the nuclei. So these are the things which can be visualized under the high power microscope, and the leaf will be taken from the lower portion to see the exact image. I hope you understand. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.